So how's everybody doing today? This is your boy Z from Zeke Speaks. So let's talk cash. Let's talk about how to be able to make money while at home and you don't have to leave your front doorstep, your apartment complex, or wherever you live at. So some apps that can actually help you create some income so you can stay at home and just chill out. Who would not want that type of income? Let me know. So let's talk cash. The first app I would like to talk about is the Touro app. One of my favorite apps to use is Touro. The reason being is I don't use my car a lot. I don't go a lot of places, especially in Michigan when it's in the wintertime. So why not rent my vehicle out? It's an easy way. It's affordable. Only thing you have to do is download the app. The app is very easy to use. It's very user friendly. You're the host. You create how much you want. You create how much money you want to make. Now, here's the one thing that I will do as a disclaimer. When using the Touro app, there are a few things that you may want to think about. The money you make on Touro all depends on how much risk you want to. For example, if you would like to make 85% of the money, you have to take some risk, because that means the Touro, they only get 15% of the cut, or 20% if you go 80%. You have to get a type of insurance that covers it. Now, the insurance, if you go 60%, they will cover all insurance and you don't have no risk. Now, if you up it up a little bit more, like I did, I have a deductible of $250. If anything happens to my car or anything, I am held liable. The more money you want to make, the more risk and opportunity you have to make more money. But don't forget, there's more risk involved. I believe right now it's $1,650 if you want to take 85% of the cut. Remember, there's more risk. So be very mindful on that. Very, very mindful. App number two. App number two is another app that I like to use, is MetaTrader 4. If you're into trading like I am, or you want to learn more about trading, this app is very, very good to be able to utilize. All the apps that do have affiliate links, I will put those in below. And also, yes, I am an affiliate of Hugo's Way. So if you would like to learn off of Hugo's Way, which is very simple, which is a broker. It's not how we trade, but it is a broker. MetaTrader 4 is a good way to learn how to trade in a demo account. First, always, before you take a high risk, find out what risk you may need to take and also see if it comes with a demo account, because most trading apps have a demo account to be able to set up. You have to set up a broker first. Once you get that broker set up, then you can go ahead and set up a demo account. It won't work any other way. So make sure you check it out. That's another way you can make some money and in learning a new skill. Skills pay bills. How about that? App number 3, we're already using it. We're on it right now. YouTube. You can find different ways to make money on YouTube. You can use affiliate links to make money. You also can go ahead and do, again, I'm at my house. So making money at home on YouTube, doing something that I love to do, that's another way you can make some money, some quick cash. Yes, there's ways to monetize, but you don't have to always think about monetization. How about doing affiliate links? Stuff that you already use on a daily basis on YouTube, and advertise, make reviews. That'd be a good way to make some money, earn some extra cash, and you're at home. You can make videos being goofy, silly, whatever you want to do, work on entertainment, if you want to work on education. All of these things can make a big difference and impact, one, your life and also other people's lives. And you're helping everybody else. So that's app number 3, YouTube. Don't forget about it. Okay, so I might get some backlash on this app, and it's Cash App. How can you make money on Cash App? Well, if you're thinking about long term, you can make money while you're actually doing Cash App. By doing this, investing. Investments, you can also use a couple other apps that may be, you can use Cash App, you can use Stash, you can also use other types of apps like Robinhood. Ooh, Robinhood. Right now, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what apps you use for your investments as well. So that'll be, and we'll leave it on that note. Number 5, Fiverr, and on top of Fiverr, we got my favorite out of both of them, Upwork. Upwork is a good one as well because guess what? You can do all these things at home. You can build skills and make money. If you think about it, that's a good way to be able to test your skills out too, to be able to increase and learn more about what you do on a daily basis. How? By doing these skills consistently, it's going to build your portfolio up. So if you're working on YouTube videos like mine, if I needed some help, you can help me out. All these different skills that you may have, you may be really good at editing. You may be better than me in editing. You may be better than me at doing, graphics. Those skills are needed. And especially if it's something that you're doing on a daily basis, you're doing photography, people are looking for stock photos, they're paying for photos, they're paying for so much that it's mind-boggling how many things that people are. So guess what? You can too. You're smart enough. It does not take a rocket science to make money. You have to know your resources and you have to have the know-how. So guess what? Use your resources. You're smart enough to make money. Guess what? Especially you're on your phone or you're on your TV, you're watching this, or you may be on your iPad or some type of device. So guess what? If you made enough money to pay your bill or somebody else is paying your bill, hey, that's on you. But guess what? You can make money too, just like everybody else. Why not you? And that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, share. Any information that you guys may have of other apps, let me know in the comments below because guess what? We all are a family. So let's help each other out. God bless. I love you guys. So stay encouraged. The best days are yet to come. Peace.